Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to download and install Pokémon TCG Pocket application on your mobile device. So let's get started. First of all, launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store on your smartphone. Go to the search box and type in Pokémon TCG Pocket. Look for this application and tap on the Get button or the Install button to start downloading the app. On iOS, you may need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. After waiting for a couple of minutes, you will be able to download the Pokémon TCG Pocket application. Tap on Open and you will be able to start the game. So that is how you can easily download and install Pokémon TCG Pocket application on your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.